Hey guys, are you surprised? A video from me. And I did work ahead. So these are some projects I created before my surgery. Let's get started. I had so much fun with the Shabby Chic cards that I did. Like this last week that I decided to have some more fun with another collection from ASC Supplies and Stamperia called Old Lace. And I had used it before. I did a couple of journals and I did a configuration box, and I whipped out what I had, and this is what I came up with. So this is the first one. These are all single fold cards. So I really wanted to appeal more to just regular people than the people that usually like my Tilda cards and such. So I had these pretty, like, I don't know what they are, like applique sort of flowers in my stash. And they came on a whole strand where there was flower, 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 flower. I cut them apart. And this is that beautiful rustic vintage collection of paper. I mean, you can see what I did with it. It's beautiful. I had a little bit of this left that I finished up using throughout these cards, so you'll get to see those as well. And I did put this on the inside for writing. So that's card number 1. Card number 2, I used those same flowers and I layered them on top of images that were flowers. I used a little bit of corrugated board, some lace, and the word believe. I think this is a Michael's word. So again, I did put that lighter paper on the inside. Hold the phone. I'm trying to figure out which to show you. Let's go with this one. This beautiful corset. I don't know what it's called when it comes with this part. But this image is in the collection. I fussy cut it out. And I just embellished it with some lace at the top. Some flat back pearl trim. I took apart one of those flowers and I put the flower in the center there. Some more pearls here. And then I added a seam binding bow with a heart center. I have lace on either side and these beautiful vintage corner pieces. So that's card number 3. Card number 4 is this one here. And there's another image of a corset on there. And I popped that up. There's some, I don't know what you call this, like a cotton lace, I guess. This is a flower from Natasha's Scrapbook Corner. I just dissected it and put this twine ribbon behind it, dangling down. I have lace here and here with pearl trim, and I added these 2 vintage corner pieces. And then there's this one, and this is a tag from the collection. I put lace all the way around the tag, and I used a lot of scraps. The word adore is from Saw Crafters. They're out of business, so I apologize. You can't get that anymore. Got some lace back here, and again, I dissected this and put some twine bow there, and voila, there you go. I hope I mentioned earlier that this paper collection can be purchased from ASC Supplies, as can many of the Stamperia paper collections. So check out ASC Supplies. All the links will be in the description box down below, including their Facebook page. And if you sign up for the newsletter, I think it's 10% off. You get a coupon every month and free shipping over $75. So check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy scrappy day. Bye. Oh, one last thing. All my cards I sell on eBay. So these are on eBay currently right now. But today is the 4th and I'm not sure when I'm going to post this. So check it out. That link will be in the description as well.